Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today we've got a Glossybox. This came a while ago. Oh, it's a tin! I paid for this myself. It's not PR. I have to tell you that I have worked with Glossybox in the past, but this is paid for by me, and it's a tin. I love a tin. That's so pretty. Glossybox have started doing the, unless they've changed it, it looks like this. They've started doing the little thing that you have to scan to be able to know what's in your box. Yeah, here, and I'm filming on my phone, so I can't do that. So we're just gonna guess and we'll see what happens. Yeah, but it just says under the tree, so that is the theme. So we've got Me Plus by Superdrug Hyaluronic Booster, like a little sample. I assume that's just an extra, because if that's an actual item, I'd be annoyed. But that's cute. Definitely give it a try anyway. Oh no! Look, my palette. It's Lottie London one. That bottom one is completely broken, which is annoying because it looks like a really pretty palette. I'm not going to open this because I am going to end up getting eyeshadow all over my sofa, which I don't want to do. I will just contact Glossybox and see if they will be kind enough to send me another one, because that is a really pretty palette, but you can see that it's completely broken. So that's annoying. I've got like a little ball of the padding just up this end, and then everything else is just shoved up the other end. We have got Brave New Hair Coconut Cuddle Hair Cream with coconut oil, quinoa, and green walnut. It just says hair cream. Apply on wet hair, dry as usual. I assume it's like a moisturizer thing, like a hair. Oh, it smells good. That's nice. That will definitely get used. We've got a Nails Ink Mayfair Lane. I'm not going to use this because I don't paint my own nails anymore. I just go and get them done. And it's not really my colour, to be fair. It's like a pretty pinky nude. I'm sure on some people that would look amazing, but that is not for me. Anything that I get in these boxes that I don't like, I am putting towards a giveaway when I get enough, because obviously I don't get a lot of boxes anymore, so I don't get a lot of things, and I want to make it worthwhile, so that will go into a giveaway. Oh, we've got a Spectrum tapered blender brush. It's a Spectrum Glossy, so I assume that this is a collab with Spectrum. Ooh, oh, it's pretty with the clear. That's a really nice brush, actually. Spectrum brushes are lovely, to be fair. They're always really nice. I got rid of a lot of my makeup brushes just because I don't wear a lot of eyeshadow. Anytime I do it, I end up with really sore eyes at the edge. So I now just do put a little bit of bronzer in the crease and then just wang on a big old fucking wing. That's a really pretty brush. What are you? There is too much information on this. It's Cause Santorini Grape, Poreless Skin Cream, Salic Acid, Smooth and Balance, made in Greece. Oh my god. Apply to the face and neck, avoiding the eye area. It's just got a lot of information. That's the front of it. Like, all that is writing. And then the back has got even more on it on. I know it's probably because it's a small sample, but that is a lot of information. And it's still sealed. I'm going to have to Google and see what that does, because I don't know. Again, this would probably tell us on the little scanny thing, but I can't scan it. I do wish that they would just bring back the thing so you could read it. It would make my life easier. I know it's not for everybody, but it would make my life easier. Oh, and then the last thing we've got is a Makeup Academy Glossybox collab, and it's Blushed Liquid Cream Blush in Dusky Rose. Add a pop of colour to your cheeks with this gorgeous liquid blush. Light buildable formula is best applied with your finger, plus it can be also used in the lips. This is going to go into a giveaway because I don't use liquid blush. I have tried and I just cannot get on with them. I literally just put a little tiny bit of powder blush on the high points and on my nose, but I just can't use these. And I always see people using them and I'm like, oh, they look so good, but it just will not work for me at all. So that's going to go in a giveaway as well. But that's the whole box. I really like the tin. It's really cute. I'm gutted about the palette because it does look like the one that's smashed would have been a really pretty colour. This one also as well, that's a beautiful colour. Really nice, kind of just a little one that you could take away and do different eye looks. Like you've got the glitter, then you've got the mattes, and then this one looks like it would have been a shimmer as well. So yeah, it would have been a nice little palette, but I'll have to just see what Glossybox say. It's called the Rose Gold palette by Lottie London, so that's a shame. But yeah, that was the box. Let me know what you think. I'm a little bit sad that although the tin is beautiful and it's got like baubles on it, I don't feel like the colour scheme, I know it's a glossy colour scheme, but I don't feel like it's a Christmas colour scheme. Thoughts on that, everybody? And like, this should be a red lip. Like, Christmas is a red lip, isn't it? Yeah, I don't know. I know it's a glossy theme, but I feel like this would have been like a better sort of spring or summer box. And they could have made this more festive. I'm struggling to get into the festive spirit this year, if you couldn't already tell. But yeah, that might just me being a negative Nancy, but let me know what you think. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I love you, bye.